Autodesk Inventor is a complete design and engineering solution, helping you and your teams stay connected from design to manufacturing. Inventor provides you with a stable and responsive environment as you create large assemblies and complex product designs. Whether you are designing industrial machines, complete production systems, or custom fabricated designs for BIM, Inventor delivers the tools needed to get your projects to production faster. Inventor has a complete set of tools to speed up your modeling process, from sheet metal, welded frames, tube and pipe, electromechanical, mold tools, and direct access to a robust content library and engineering calculators. Shave days off your projects by rapidly configuring products and minimizing repetitive tasks using iLogic design automation technology. Facilitate faster collaboration among teams and vendors by using a secure, cloud-based design review tool that protects your intellectual property. Connect directly with AutoCAD for your product design and manufacturing workflows. And if you subscribe to the collection, you will also get integrated tools for advanced simulation, CAM, factory planning, and high-end visualization. Regardless of what you make, be it rockets for aerospace, high-performance boats, or high-efficiency air compressors. All over the world, our customers depend on Inventor as their complete design and engineering solution. Accelerate your product development today with Autodesk Inventor.